Hi guys, hope you're well. It's Matt Feast. Just thought I'd quickly do a little video of showing you how to make a deposit with Paraiba. The first thing you need to do when you actually join the company, okay, you get into the back office, you need to get familiarised with the company and with the platform. Okay, get yourself used to it. Just scroll around in the in the different buttons here. Just get used to it, yeah. Okay, because it can be overwhelming. Okay. First thing you need to do, you need to make a deposit. Right, the first thing. So you need to go to finance. Click on the word finance, and then what you need to do, you need to make a deposit of $25 of Bitcoin. That's a minimum. Okay, it's up to you, whatever you can afford. Okay, all right. But if you don't make a deposit within 30 days, the account will be removed. Just let you know. Okay, the reason why that is because to make room for the server. Okay, that gives you 30 days to participate. Anyway, the first thing you need to do, you need to add balance, and now it's make a deposit. Click on this. Goes here, goes to our default of $25. For instance, we'll just keep it there. Say it's $25, okay? You calculate. What it is, you've got to send your Bitcoin to this address. If you've got a mobile phone, you can use that, scan it on your QR code, or you can make a deposit here. That's a Bitcoin address you need to send the funds to, and that's the amount. Okay, this is the amount here, $25 of Bitcoin. Okay, once it goes through, okay, it takes an hour to 2 hours, depending on the blockchain. Okay, sometimes you've got a lot of traffic on the blockchain. Might take 2 or 3 hours, might take 4 hours. Doesn't matter. It's coming to the actual platform. Okay, once it gets into the platform, okay, what you need to do, next thing you need to do, okay, scroll down and you see usable balance here, because you just made a deposit of $25 of Bitcoin. Okay. So what you need to do, you need to get this, and you need to move it into the Paraiba platform itself. So the traders can trade it, so you can make your return on investment. Yeah, that's what you need to do. Otherwise, if you don't do that, it'll be sitting there doing absolutely nothing, and you don't want that. So the first thing you need to do is you go to finance again. Click on finance. Then you see the amounts here of $25 of Bitcoin, just over $25.12. Okay. What you need to do, you need to use a balance. So you use a balance here, and then it automatically jumps from there to here. Okay. What you need to do, it says deposit. What you need to do is press click, or sorry, press where you click this button here saying save. Save. What that happens is this little authorization code will pop up. So you need to go to your email. Okay. So if I go to my email, okay, if I go to my email, scroll up. It hasn't come in yet. Let me just refresh. Okay, let me go back to Paraiba again. Let me pause this video for a second. Okay, the code's come in now, so I'm going to my emails again. That's the email you will receive. Okay, click on that button there. Scroll over here and grab your code, which is this here. Control C, copy it on your mouse. Let me do that again. Control C. Okay, you can do this on the mobile phone as well. When you go back to the account of your Paraiba account, you paste it in here. Okay, paste. So paste it in there, send. All right. Now what will happen is, it goes to home. Go to home. I'll scroll down. See this orange bar. One orange bar has disappeared. Okay, you made a deposit. Okay. Scroll down. You see that deposit. You just made a deposit in Paraiba. Okay. Easy as that. Okay. After you've done that, it's always best to do a KYC. Big orange bar here. Click on that button there. Go. and send your KYC details to this here. All right, it's no biggie. It takes about, say, 4 or 5 days to do your KYC, but meanwhile you can still make money with this company. Very easy, and you'll like it. It's working. And plus, guys, just let you know, you start getting streamline coming in. Yeah, this amount here is how many people you got in. The company gives you this as free. Get this free, guys. You get this streamline for free. So basically, the people who participate under you has participated $4,910, depending on your accounts. Sometimes more, sometimes it's less. But this is very, very, very useful when you start doing your Paraiba online journey. Okay, guys. But anyway, I hope you got some value out of this. Take care and have a great day. And please subscribe to our channel. And also, please add yourself to the groups. Okay, we're here to help you make Bitcoin and grow your Bitcoin with this awesome company. All right, take care and have a great day. And thank you very much for watching the video. Thank you.